Morning, everyone. This is the day before my big New York trip, and I am up making me some breakfast. I've showered. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I think I'm going to need me a little bit of breakfast. I've got a little bit of running to do today. I need to run to Walmart and get a couple things, last minute things, before I go to the Big Apple. So I got to get a few things for the hubby, for the refrigerator before I leave. Got to make sure he is nice and stocked up on some good food. I'm getting ready to make me a bagel and a couple of eggs. I'm going to fry me a couple of eggs. It's very limited here what we have this morning in the refrigerator, so I do need to go get a few things. Look at that. Blueberry is not really my favorite, but that's what we have on hand, so that is what I'm going to have. I'm going to have it with some cream cheese. This is the original Philadelphia cream cheese. I don't really like the, excuse me, the fluff stuff, whatever you call it. The puffy, you know, I like the original cream cheese. I'm going to fry me a couple eggs. I still have my pajamas on. I got out of the shower this morning. I need some eggs. Got to put eggs on my list. And I always get ready. When I get out of the shower, I always put my pajamas back on until I'm fully ready. You know, hair done, makeup done, and all that stuff. I always put my pajamas back on. Let me turn my, might need a little bit more butter than that, because I'm not wanting my eggs to stick, you know what I'm saying? My eggs have to be good. Gonna fry these up. Oh, and here comes a little bit coming over. And you know what, I busted that egg trying to open that carton, so let's just put it in there. There we go. Now I got a mess to clean up over here. Get down a little bit. Gonna have me some breakfast, and then I'm gonna wait patiently for Olivia to get up so we can run to Walmart. I need a few things. Like I said, I'm getting the hubby some stuff for the refrigerator, so he'll have stuff to eat this week. I don't know what I'll get. I'll probably get some, like, those buffalo chicken bites or whatever, maybe some salad stuff, and something easy for when Mama's not home. But I'm looking for, in particular, a smaller wallet, and I'm also looking for like a body purse, because I don't really want to carry a big purse there, you know, when we're running around doing our thing. I kind of like to have something I could just strap across my shoulder and, you know, carry my goodies in there. And my bagel is done. Look at that. Beautiful. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is Monday. Yes, it's Monday. So let's get these eggs a cooking, and look at that, perfectly toasted. The lighting here is terrible because it's a little dark in here because it's raining. It's raining out, but the sun's supposed to come out later. So that'll be nice. I like a lot of cream cheese on my bagel, and I ain't playing. It smells yummy. I think my favorite bagels are the strawberry. I like to turn my egg off there and let it just sit and let it, the yellow part get a little bit more done inside. I like it a little bit running. Somebody's thirsty over there, lapping up their water. Ooh, this is too hot. Too hot to hold on to. Got a lot of videos I'm trying to get edited so I can clear up my space on my camera, so I can take lots of pictures. I'm hoping to go live there in New York. We'll see. And I definitely will be doing a lot of filming and, you know, vlogging there as well. Definitely taking my camera along. Tell me that don't look good. And I think these are probably done enough. I know that one is. Look at that breakfast. Now all I need is a nice slice of ham. but I don't have any ham. So we're just gonna have to go without it. Look at that breakfast. Fit for a queen. I got my coffee in my favorite coffee mug. You know what I've done this morning? This is embarrassing. I made me some coffee this morning and I thought it tasted a little bit weak, and I didn't realize, because I have a Keurig, I didn't realize that I didn't take out the older little pod, and I used, you know, the pod from yesterday. I thought, oh, this coffee is awful. Look at that. I like a lot of pepper on my eggs. What about you? All right, I'm gonna go eat this, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, we are back from Walmart. Sorry I didn't take you along. You wouldn't have wanted to go anywhere. I took my daughter and a friend of hers, so it was chaotic. Didn't want to spend the amount of money that I spent, but I did anyway. So, as you see here, I got a nice big bowl of ground chuck. We're going to make some meatballs. My dogs want to go out, so just a minute. Alright, like I said, we're making some meatballs. Had to let the dogs out, so I am going to put some onion powder in here. This is just a big glob of meat, and we're going to turn them into something absolutely amazing. I'm making spaghetti and meatballs tonight, like I said. And you got to remember, you got to season your meat really, really well. This is one big glob of meat here. That was, I think that was onion powder. I'm going to put some of my signature blend seasoning in it. You guys got to get on my Facebook fan page. Go get this. I'm not kidding. This is some good, good stuff. It's a lot of meat here. And we're going to do some garlic powder as well. Is that powder or salt? It's garlic powder. And we're going to put some Italian seasoning in them. Lots of Italian seasoning. Because I like them nice and Italian-y. They're so good. Look, I'm salting the counter. Salt on the counter, salt on the counter. I am so excited. This time tomorrow night, I'll be getting ready to leave for New York City. And you guys, I want you guys all to pray. This is oregano leaves. Pray for safety. You know, pray that me and my daughter get there and back, and all the other people that are going. You know, that we return safely. Because you never know in a world like today. This is basil leaves and it's not even opened yet, so let's open it. I like my meatballs to be so nice and full of flavor. I like it. You just take a bite of them and it'd be like, dang, girl, that's good. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could smell that, my friends. We're gonna put some black pepper in it. And depending on my mood, whether I want big balls or little balls, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to put some salt in there. Big balls or little balls. Sometimes I do big, sometimes I do little. Just like I said, just depending on my mood. I'm going to put just one egg in here. And then I'm also going to put, I've got some crackers here that I put in a bag, and just, you know, smash them up really good. Oh, look at that. I left it open. And they went everywhere. And here comes a little bit. Oh, it smells amazing. Put this in there. That's probably about enough. Now I'm going to go in with my clean hands. I promise you they're clean. I got stuff everywhere. And I'm just going to mix this together. Alright, I think we're going to go with a medium size. Fooled ya. I said small or large, but I think we're going to go with like medium size meatballs. Just like that. And you know, one way you can tell if your meat's seasoned well, you got to smell it. You got to smell your meat. I know that sounds a little vulgar, but you got to smell your meat. You can tell if it's seasoned well. Just stick it right up to your nose and smell it. My first batch is done. Now, these are not completely done, but they're done enough to put in my sauce. I like to put them on a paper plate and let them, some of the grease drain off of them. Nobody likes greasy meatballs. Oh, making a mess here. What happens when you're in a hurry? And I'm going to get the rest of them put in and get them started. And I'm going to show you how I do my sauce when I'm in a quick hurry. Quick and easy, 1, 2, 3. Now, when I'm in a hurry and I don't like to make my homemade sauce, it's 4:30 in the evening. My husband will be home in an hour. So I'm just whipping this together, but it's going to be absolutely amazing anyway. I like to do the tomato sauce. Look, that's upside down. I opened it upside down. And then I like to add a can of the Hunt's garlic and herb in there. I love this combination because this one, the tomato sauce, I'm going to season myself. Spaghetti sauce is one of the easiest things to make anyway, but I didn't have time to let it simmer all day, so we're gonna, that was garlic. You know I like garlic now, I ain't playing. I'm gonna use some oregano. This is kind of like my go-to. I ain't playing here. And it takes a lot of Italian seasoning to make a tomato sauce an Italian flavor. If you want a recipe for my meatballs, I do already have one uploaded on this channel, so you can go right to that. I'm not giving you any measurements or anything. I'm just quickly throwing this together because, like I said, the hubby will be home soon. Onion powder. I like to use onion powder. Normally I cut up onions in this as well. Not inside this, but in my meatballs. But I don't really have any onions. I'm not gonna lie, I'm out. Italian, I've already put Italian. Bay leaves, what else? Basil, oregano. Oh, and Italian. I did not put that. And this is gonna make for a delicious sauce. You can't forget this, the secret key ingredient. My delicious seasoning here. Sprinkle some of that in there. This stuff is a bomb, I'm telling you. This stuff is amazing. Get on my Facebook fan page and order you some. Come on, guys. And we're going to do just a little bit of salt. Not a whole lot because the tomatoes are really salty. Let's give these a toss here. Kind of roll them around. Look how greasy they get. Now you know why I like to drain them. I'm going to stir this together. That's going to be so seasoned. I know it looks like a lot of Italian seasoning and stuff, but trust me when I tell you, it takes a lot to season your tomato sauce. I love making homemade spaghetti sauce. But like I said, today I just don't have the time. I've got packing to do. I think I've got one more load of laundry to do. I've got to scoop the cat boxes. I'm just trying to get everything ready for tomorrow, so tomorrow I won't really have to do anything. I got several videos I'm trying to get uploaded, so they will be to you guys already scheduled, so I don't have to worry about that. And I'm trying to where's my bay leaves? I'm trying to get everything off of my camera so I have extra space on there for you know, for when I get in New York. And I gotta get all those videos off there. I filmed so many videos and then I just run out of time. And I'm gonna drop a bay leaf in there. We're gonna drop 2 in there. I love the bay leaves. Give it a nice, beautiful flavor. Just stir that around. And then what we're gonna do is I'm going to add just a little bit of this. Stir that around. Got my trusty coffee in hand. And you know, I'm going to tell you something. I don't never buy generic coffee. I always buy Folgers, you know, name brand, whatever. I bought some of the Donut Shop Great Value from Walmart. I wanted to give that a try to go in my Keurig because I didn't want to buy the big 18, 20 pack, whatever. But I wanted to go ahead and give that a try, and I tell you what, it is good. If you have not tried that, and like I said, I don't normally buy generic coffee. I always have to have name brand, but it is really, really good. I'm happy with it. Now we're going to put the rest of the meatballs in there like you see. We're going to give it a toss. We're going to move this over to the side. We're going to toss this. Get every one of them like nice and under that. Because we're going to add the rest of the sauce right on top, and we're going to add some cheese. And I'm going to pop these babies in the oven. I like to cover them. Look at that. And these never go to waste. You know what? I had lost count after 27. I forgot to count the other ones just to see how many I made. But I bet there's probably about 40 meatballs here. The rest of the sauce over. Just to cover it. These are going to bake up to perfection. I'm going to put some cheese on this. I like to sprinkle the grated cheese on it. Yes, that's quite a bit. I'm an overachiever, in case you guys haven't noticed. This is one of my favorite casserole dishes. And you know what? I got this casserole dish at a Goodwill. There's a Goodwill up close to our mall out here. And sometimes I like to go in there. You'd be surprised at the things that you find. And this is one of them that I found. This is something that I found that I really liked. I think I only paid like $3 for it, and it's Corningware, so you can't beat that. I'm going to pop these in the oven, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Look at my garlic toast. I made that out of the Texas toast. Look how delicious that looks. I got my spaghetti here. I made 2 pounds of spaghetti. There's my meatballs that look amazing. I hope you guys liked this short little video before my big trip to New York. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And you know I love you very much. And I'll see you on the next recipe, vlog, whatever. I'll see you next time. Bye.